Welcome to 292 Sunday Silence Lane. This great 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath home with a covered front porch and a stairs balcony, 2-car garage, fenced backyard, and hardwood flooring downstairs is located in the Jacobs Creek subdivision in Elgin, near Northeast Columbia. Convenient to I-20 and I-77, Fort Jackson, Sandhills Dining and Shopping, and other Northeast area amenities. So we're out front. You can see there is a nice sized driveway leading up to the 2-car garage with a nice carriage style door. You have a covered front porch and a matching balcony off of one of the upstairs bedrooms. As we step inside, there's hardwood flooring throughout the downstairs area of the home. The downstairs is a sort of an open floor plan area. As you come off the front door, you're in the living or family room. It's a nice sized room. You have a window towards the front, and then you can see through to the rest of the lower level, or the most of the lower level. To the left here, you have a powder room or half bathroom off this little nook that also houses the door to the garage. So you have a 2-car garage, as you can see. That's a smaller, medium-sized SUV just for scale parked inside. Then the kitchen is open to the dining area on the other end here, as you can see. So the kitchen itself has a center island. You have granite countertops, dark wood cabinets, an included refrigerator side by side, electric range, the smooth top, microwave, and dishwasher. Recessed lighting in here as well. And then on the back end, of course, you have the dining area with a couple windows out towards the backyard. The door on the side here, I believe, just goes to some pantry space, which also kind of doubles as a closet there as well. Just some extra storage. And then the back door here leading out to the backyard. You have a patio and simple fencing, privacy fencing back there. So it's a nice open yard for decent size. And then you have a downstairs master on the first level. There is a second bedroom with an ensuite bath that can function as a separate master or primary suite as well. But this is the larger one, meant as the main primary suite in the home. You have an attached full bath. Also, you can see granite countertops also in here. Some shelving off to the side as you come in. You have a separate shower and a nice garden soaking tub. Also a walk-in closet. And then your other 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths are upstairs. You also do have a huge loft area off the upstairs landing as soon as you come up. Which you can see here as you come off the stairs into this open area. So basically it functions as a separate, just a family room or den, however you want to use the space. Could be a playroom or whatever else you want it to be as well. Then you have a bunch of rooms off of it. We'll just start here. Laundry room, nice size, full size washer and dryer with some extra space for shelving in there. You have one of your rear facing bedrooms, which is a nice size. It has a walk-in closet. And we'll just continue on around. Bedroom number 3. With a walk-in, small walk-in on this side also. You have a linen closet right next to the second full bathroom. The shower and tub. And then these last 2 bedrooms are the front facing ones. So you can see this one, nice size also. And has a really nice size walk-in with a window. And then last but not least, that other room we mentioned that is sort of, could be a second primary suite if you like. It does have a walk-in also, which is a nice size. Also a ceiling fan and again its own private bathroom. You have double vanities in here. Water closet and a garden tub and shower combo. So that completes our tour of this home, 292 Sunday Silence Lane in Elgin, near Northeast Columbia. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.